You said the people who are carrying the pictures who were there. Let us start with the gentleman who's, or with the person who's wearing a red top.
Konje-ke uyawathi abantu laba abavela lapha ukuthi ngobani ke maqale-ke ngalo mlisa ugqoke-ke ithopu-ke ebomvu.
Celimpilo Ndawonde.
That's Celimpilo Ndawonde.
Thank you. And the person who's next to him who's wearing khaki clothes.
Manje-ke lo omunye-ke ome phambi kwakhe-ke ubani yena?
Mthobisi Mncube.
That's Mthobisi Mncube myself.
Thank you. And the person who's at the back of the red vehicle wearing a blue hat and I think a blue top as well. That person is.
Manje-ke lo omunye-ke umele engasemuva kwemoto-ke sikhuluma ngalo yamlisa ofake ikepisi-ke elibhulu-ke nethopu engaba blue. Ubani yena?
Maphisa.
That's Maphisa.
And Mapisa.
Ubani Maphisa?
I choose number 4.
It's accused number 4.
Thank you. And the person who's partially obscured, but who appears to be wearing some, I don't know what kind of thing, dark silver. The person standing next to you there, immediately next to you on the left hand side, who's that person?
Manje-ke lo munye umuntu-ke kodwa ongaveli kahle-hle kulesa sithombe-ke ongathi ugqoke usilivre ongathi-ke udaki-ke ubani lo muntu lo ome phambi kwakho ubani loya muntu loya?
Mansizwana.
It's Mansizwana.
Did you say, what did you say his name was?
Uye wathi-ke uMansizwana isibongo sakhe ubani konje?
Khanyile.
Khanyile.
Thank you, Mansizwana Kanyile. Thank you. Now you would recall, Mr. Mncube, that when Constable Zungu was testifying in respect of this photo, he said that the person who was standing at the back there, the person that is wearing a blue top and a blue hat, that was accused number 2. Do you still recall that?
Manje ngizana Mncube usakhumbula-ke ngaleya nkathi-ke uConstable Zungu naye ekhona la enkantolo-ke ebe nawo mekhona ethula ufakazi bakhe uye wathi-ke loya muntu ovela kulesa sithombe-ke ogqoke ikepisi eliblue futhi naye top-ke blue lo muntu-ke umangalela wesibili. Uyakhumbula ukusho lokho?
Yebo ngamuzwa ngeqamba amanga la eboxini.
Yes, I did hear him when he was lying under oath.
What will your response to be to what he told this court, that person that we just said to now is accused number 2?
Manje wena uthini kulokho ngokwashiwo uyena Constable Zungu ukuthi loya muntu ovela lapha kulesa sithombe lesiya egqoke-ke ublue-ke u-accused number 2 wena uthini kulokho?
Into engekho leyo.
That is not true.
Umntanzi angimazi nokumazi. Azange futhi ngibe naye la mina.
I don't even know Danzi and I was not with him here.
Lo I choose number 4 Maphisa umuntu engangenaye.
The person depicted there is accused number 4, which is Mapisa, somebody that I was with on that day.
Nomuntu futhi othe ena loyana untanzi loya naye angimazi.
Even the person that alleged that the person on the picture is Danzi, I don't even know him.
Ngisho Zungu la, ngisho Constable Zungu la.
I am now referring to Constable Zungu.
Angimazi ngiqala ukumbona la kuleli bhokisi manje ngena la ecourt zala.
I don't know him. The first time that I saw him was when he was standing on this dock also here in court.
So lento ayikhulumayo le yaningamanga ukhohlisa icourt nje.
So what he said is a lie. He's just lying to the court.
Thank you. Now, if I told this court that the person that you're saying is Mansizwane Kanyile, just to say, he said, I think that is me, referring himself when he told this court, when he was asking about that person who's partially obscured today, he told this court that I think that is me, meaning himself, Constable.
Okay. Uya waqhubeka futhi-ke uConstable Zungu-ke wathi-ke la enkantolo loya muntu lo wena othi-ke uma Nsizwane Khanyile uZungu wathi la ecourt uyacabanga ukuthi lo muntu uyena esho yena ukuthi uZungu lo laphaya.
Washo njalo impela mayiqamba amanga la ecourt.
Yes, that is exactly what he said when he was lying before the court.
Ekhohlisa inkantolo.
Lying before the court.
Do you have any response to that which he told this court, saying that he thought that was him?
Manje-ke khona mhlawumbe wena-ke ongakusho-ke uma ngale nkulumo ayishilo ukuthi ethi uZungu uyacabanga ukuthi-ke uyena loya muntu loya.
Uthi uyacabanga ngoba vele uyazi ukuthi akusuyena. That's why azathi uyacabanga.
That is why that he said to the court that he thought that was him because he knew that he was lying.
Uhlulwe ukukhuluma ukuchaza lezi impahla eqowe lo muntu ukuthi impahla zini wathi khodro leya.
He failed to give a description of the clothes the person was wearing. He said he was wearing a khodro.
Esho khodro leya yena eqowe lapha ekhona hayi la.
He was referring to a khodro that he was wearing wherever he was, not here.
Ngoba lokuthi lo ugqoka iBrandwood le.
Because this person is wearing a Brandwood
Nesikipa seLenscourt
and a Landscourt t-shirt.
So yena akhuluma ukuthi hayi isikipa somkhona emide ini ikhodro ngezansi ngoba akayazi lento le.
He came and said this person is wearing a khodro and a long sleeve t-shirt. He was talking something that he does not know, my lord.
Into nje ayizama nje ukuyikhanda ukuthi azokhohlisa ngayo enkantolo.
It's something that he was just trying to fabricate so that he can come and deceive or lie to the court.
Ukuthi mhlawumbe lokho okhulunywa uGininda kuzwakale kangcono.
So that whatever or the things that Gininda has said could sound better.
Thank you. You further recall that in his testimony that you have rendered as lies, he also told the court that at some point when you were in the hostel you, when I was talking about you, you said you were initially wearing a, what color was that now? Yeah. You said you were wearing a lime green t-shirt, and then you went out, took a shower somewhere or a bath somewhere, and then you changed that t-shirt. Do you still remember that?
Manje ke usakhumbula ke ngale nkathi ke ekhuluma naye ke uZungu ethi ngale nkathi ulapha ehostel uthi ngalosuku lolo ke ubugqoke iskipa ke slime green ke kodwa ke wasuhamba ke yandawana thize ke mhlawumbe uyogeza noma uyoshawa wasophinda ubuya soshintshini uyakhumbula ngale nkathi esho lokho?
Yebo ngiyakhumbula.
Yes, I still recall that.
Mr. Makasa, do you mind to show us a lime green color there? I am lime green color. I'm thinking about something. I don't know what color is it. Just do something on the computer and maybe just aside. I just want to get to know what it is lime green color is.
Manje uyacala ke umzana umnisi ukuthi ke umsemakhanya ke lo osenzela ke umabona kude ukuthi isithombe lesi ke azama ukuthi ke mhlambe ke anakhomba lapho kuvela khona ke ulime green lo khunywa ngawo kulesa sithombe ke sisibonayo lapha kwenkantolo.
No, not in this photo,
Oh, not
but
in
just the
this
general color, lime green. I
Okay.
just want to have
Okay.
an idea of what lime green
Okay.
is. Yes.
Sorry about that. Ucela ukuthi ke umzana makhanya ke asikhombise ke umbala ke lime green ngoba ke kumele ufuna ukubona kahle ukuthi lo mbala lo uthawu lime green ke umbala unjani kahle hle.
Yeah, look, when we did physical stuff. Excuse me, my lord. I just want to have an idea of what color is it, man, because I don't want to keep on visualizing it.
No, but the evidence is that Zoom is light.
Yes.
No person with a light green color.
Yes, man.
So why should we have a look at it? Because the evidence is clear, put it to your right. Those are lights. And now you say you want to see those lights.
Manje ke
I'm not saying I want to see those lights, my lord. This is for my own understanding, for my own sake, because I don't have a clue what a lime green color is. Maybe I'm just colorblind, my lord, because I'm trying to visualize what a lime color green is. What color is lime green? I'm just trying to close my eyes and I can't visualize it. But technology can show us, my lord.
umzana umnisi ke uye wacela lapha phambi kwenkantolo ukuthi ke yena ke insizwa lesiza ke ngomabona kude la inkantolo ke isikhombise ke umbala ke lowo ke ongaba lime green ke lapha inkosi enkantolo yithi kodwa ke ufakazi ke noma ke client yakhe yathi ke lokho akushilo ke yena ke uKhosabo Zungu ukuthi kuno lime green kwamanga so ithi inkosi enkantolo manje yona umnisi ke sofuna ukubona ke lawo manga ke lawo na uthi umnisi ke cha inkosi enkantolo ke ngiyazama ukuthi ke ngizibuza ukuthi ke lo mbala ke o lime green umbala onjani angifuni lokhu ngicabangela nje kodwa ke zona lezi ke eze technology ke zingasiza kakhulu ke zingikhombe ukuthi ke umbala lo lime green
Thank you, Mr. Makaya. Now, Mr. Mzube, I can already see what a lime green color is. It's that color that is depicted there. It's indeed lime green. I don't know what you call it. It's just lime green. Thank you.
uthi ke yabonga kakhulu ke umbala ke lo lime green ke uyona lo oyavezwa la kubabona kude.
Now, Mr. Mzube, the time that was perfectly captured by the state, being the time at which this photo was taken, is 15:31. That is 3:30 in the afternoon, on the 26th of October 2014.
Mnuzane isikhathi ke lesike siye sakhombiswa ke esikhombisa ukuthi isithombe lesathatha ngaso ke bekuyi 15:31 kusho ukuthi 3:30 futhi usuku kumhla ka 26 October ngo2014.
Thank you. Now, according to how I followed the evidence of Mr. Zungu, is that already at this time you should have been wearing or you should have had that lime green t-shirt on.
Manje ke uma ke ngilandele kahle ufakazi bakhe uZungu ngokuya ngenkulumo uZungu ayebeka ke inkulumo yakhe iyakhombisa ukuthi ke ngalesikhathi ke lesekukhulunywa ngaso ke u15:31 ukumele ke ubusagqoke yona ke color le lime green.
Now, let us start here. Were you ever wearing that lime green t-shirt on that day?
Masipale la uke wayigqoka ke ngalosuku lolo ke yona le color umbala ke lo lime green.
Cha,
No,
azange ngizogqoka.
I did not wear that color.
Did you ever go out to take a shower or bath and changed into something else?
Uke wagqoba khona inkathi lapho ukuhamba khona mhlambe ke uyogeza washintsha ke wagqoka okunye.
Now, according to Zungu, when you were in his company,
Ngale nkathi kunoZungu uyowasuka lapho kunayo iZungu wahamba ke wayogeza washintsha obuya soshintshile.
Number 1 azange benozulu.
Firstly, I was never with Zungu
yes.
Azange futhi kube khona la ngiyogeza khona.
and I did not go anywhere to shower or take a bath.
Ngageza kuseni ngaleli langa.
I took my bath in the morning on that particular day.
Ngashintsha impahla.
I changed my clothes
Ngigqoka lezi impahla ngizigqoke la.
and wore these clothes that are shown here on this
Jacket,
picture.
ijacket ekhakhi,
It's a khaki jacket,
ibhluku elikhakhi,
a khaki trouser,
amateka amnyama.
and black pair of khakis.
Indlela engangigqoke ngayo ngaleli langa.
That's the way that I was wearing on that particular day.
Akukho lapho ngake ngathi ngishintsha khona ngigqoke enye into.
At no stage I went to change to something else.
Thank you. I hear you mentioning the type of clothes that you were wearing, a khaki top, you are calling it a jacket, also a khaki trouser and a black canvas shoes amade amnyama.
Uthi ke ngiyabona ke ukhuluma ke ngempahla ubugqokile ke ngalosuku lolo ubugqoke ke itop ke okhakhi ibhruka lekhakhi namateka amnyama.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
Let's go to photo number 48, please. Thank you. Is this photo a proper reflection, or does it reflect properly the description of the clothes that you're saying you were wearing on this?
Manje ke lesithombe lesi ke siveza ke ngendlela ubugqoke ngayo ngalolo suku loluya.
Ngoba nje sibonakala kanje usuku lonke kusukela ekuseni mangiqeda ukugeza ngagqoka nje ngalendlela lekwazi kwashona ilanga.
As the picture is showing my lord how I am dressed, that is how I was dressed the whole day. From the morning, the whole day I was dressed like that.
Thank you. Now, what is your response with regard to these allegations that were made by Constable Zungu, that when he saw you, that when he met you at the Masupini Hostel, you were wearing a line T-shirt that you subsequently went away after having taken a bath or changed and wearing something different?
Manje ke uthini kuloko okwashiwa ke uyana ke Constable Zungu ethi ke ngalosuku lolo wena ke ubugqoke i-lime T-shirt wasuhamba ke uyoshintsha ke wasubuya ke ushintshile.
Amanga lawo into engazange ziyenzeke.
It's a lie, that did not happen.
Ikhothi izokhumbula mina ngihlala edrobheni eGoli ngalesi sikhathi.
The court will recall at this time I was staying in Johannesburg in town.
Ngigeze edrobheni ngashintsha impahla edrobheni.
I took my bath in town and also changed my clothes.
Ngiyale nje ngiyofika ku-straight ngiyofika ku-Phosphorus ngigqoke lezi impahla.
I'm going to Spruit or Phosphorus wearing these clothes that are depicted on the screen.
So ayikho indawo ngangaphinde ngigeze kuyo ngaphandle ukuthi kumele ngiphinde ngiyogeza eJuzi.
There was no other place where I could have taken my bath, only I would have to go back to Johannesburg to take my bath.
Ngoba la ngihlala khona.
Because that is where I reside.
Impahla zami lapha ekhona.
And that is where my clothes are.
So lapha nginampahla yami khona la.
Here, I don't have any clothes.
Impahla zami ekhona la ilezi ngigqokile kuphela.
The clothes that I had was the clothes that was on my body that I was wearing on that day.
Thank you.
So lokho khulunywa uZungu kahle kahle ungamanga nje.
So what Zungu is saying is a lie, my lord.
Thank you. Mr. Mube, is it correct that when I say one, I mean everybody that is looking at that, at picture number 48, which is, actually let's go back to picture number 47, picture on page number 47. Thank you. Is it correct that when one looks at the picture that depicts you on that day at this time of the day, which was 3:30 in the afternoon, you don't seem to be wearing anything beneath that the khaki top?
Kuyiqiniso namzane ke uma sibuka lesithombe lesi ke esiveza wena ngasisikhathi lesi ke u-3 ke ubonakala ke njengomuntu ongagqokanga lutho ngaphansi kwale top le khaki uyigqoke ngaphezulu.
Yebo ngigqoke ijacket kuphela nginaskipa nginavest akunalutho.
Yes, I'm just wearing a jacket. I'm not wearing a vest. There's no vest, there's no t-shirt, nothing underneath the jacket.
Thank you. Let's go to picture number 48. Picture on page 48. If you can just beam it a little bit. Thank you. Now, this picture again, it's a picture that was also downloaded from your phone, according to the state. That is a picture that was also taken at 3:31 on the 26th of October 2014. In other words, it was taken like almost a minute apart or a minute after the photo that is on page 47.
Uma ke sibheka futhi lesithombe futhi lesi sesibili ke naso sikhombisa ke le batho sigqokile futhi ke esathathwa ke ngo-15:31 usho ukuthi ke umzuzu owodwa emva kwalesithombe lesilapha ku-photo number 47.
Now, before you proceed, would you agree with what the state presented to the court about these pictures?
Ngaphambi ukuthi siqhubela phambili ke uyavumelana nalokhu ke umbuso oye wakunikeza inkantolo mayelana ke nalesithombe lesi,
Owani wesikhathi noma wani.
referring to the time or what?
Yes, the time and the date at which these photos were taken.
Yes, sikhuluma ngesikhathi futhi nosuku obathi ke lethombe lezi ke zathathwa ngaso.
Yebo ngiyavumelana iqiniso la.
Yes, I do agree with the state. It's the truth.
Thank you. Now, you also see that the clothes that you're wearing accords with what you have explained to this court a bit earlier on, or some minutes ago, on the clothes that you were wearing when you left Joburg in the morning on that day.
Futhi ke uyafana ukuthi ke lethombe lesi ke siveza ke nawe ke ngendlela owasho ngakhona ukuthi ke mawusuka ke eGoli ngalosuku lolu ugqoke kanje ngendlela ivela ngayo la sithombe.
Yebo.
Yes.
Is there any line T-shirt that you were able to identify?
Manje ke kulesithombe wena khona ke iskipa ke si-lime ongakhona ukusikhomba sona lapha.
Asikho ngigqoke ijacket kuphela.
There's no lime t-shirt. I'm just wearing a jacket.
Anginalutho ngaphansi.
I have nothing under.
Thank you.
Nivuliwe iziphi yabonakala anginanex ngaphansi.
And the zip is drawn down. It's clear. There's nothing under the jacket.
Thank you. Now, in contrast to the gentleman who's standing next to you, what can you say about him as to what is he wearing?
Manje ke lo mlisa ke lo phambi kwakho la sithombeni ungathi ngayo ugqokeni yena.
Ugqoke ijacket nevest.
He's wearing a jacket and a vest.
which are clearly visible, not so.
And kuyabonakala lokho angithi?
Kuyabonakala uzipho wakhe uvuliwe naye.
Yes, it's clearly visible and the zip is drawn down.
Thank you. But you did not mention the trouser that he's wearing.
Kodwa ke awuzange usho ukuthi
We don't assume that he's wearing a trouser. We need to put that on, but lest we there's an assumption that he's not wearing a trouser.
awuzange ukhulume ke malanga nebruku ke agqokile ke uma ungazange usho ke ngacabanga mhlawumbe ukuthi ke mhlawumbe ubengagqokanga ibruku ngalolu suku lo ngoba ungazange usho nawe ukuthi ke egqoke ibruku elinje.
Oh hayi bengisakhuluma ngezinto ezifayo ngenhla kuphela. Ugqoke iblue eliblue, jean eblue.
I was just still talking, my lord, about what he's wearing on his upper body, but the gentleman is wearing a blue jean
Nekhavela eblue.
and a blue kavela,
Statue.
Thank you.
which is the shoe.
And that which he's wearing beneath that red top is clearly visible, being a white vest.
And the lokagqoke ngaphansi kwale top yakhe kuyabonakala ngithi kungaba ngathi vest emhlophe.
Yebo kuyabonakala.
Yes,
Kamile.
it's visible, it's clear.
And that is the reason why it is actually visible is because the front portion of that, the chest portion of that red garment that he's wearing on top, it's wide open. The vest thereof is wide open also.
And ukuthi mhlawumbe sikwazi ukubona ugqokile ukuthi ke lapha esifubeni phezulu ke iziphi ivulekile.
Yebo.
Siyakwazi ukubona ugqokile ngaphansi.
Yebo unjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
That is similar to the top that you're wearing. On the chest portion, your top is also wide open also.
Nawe ke esifubeni lapho lesifubeni lesike lapha esifubeni nawe ke kuvulekile lapha phezulu angithi.
Mawubabuka kahle bavule ngokulingana futhi uzipho.
If you can just look the picture clearly, you can see that they are drawn the same.
Ifuba hlengaphandle.
Both chest outside.
Thank you. This is the point where Constable Zungu is saying you were wearing, or you should have been having a line t-shirt on.
Yiso ke lesikhathi lesilapho uzungathi ke ngalesikhathi lesike isikhathi lesivumela ukuthi ubonakale ugqoke lesasikipa lesesilayini.
Akuqamba mangu.
Azungu is lying.
Uzungu uthe mayikhuluma kodwa uthe ufike lapha noma ngingasakhumbuli kahle noma uthe ufike ngo1 noma ngo2.
And he did also mention that he arrived at that place, even though I cannot recall the exact time, but he estimated to be around 1 or 2.
Lesithombe lesi esango3.
And this picture was taken around 3.
Kunesithombe sasemazibuko ehostel sango11 ekseni.
And there is another photo that was taken at Mazubuko Hostel around 11 in the morning.
Uzungu ngaleso sikhathi 10 bese emsebenzini ngabo11.
And he testifies, Zungu, that at that time he was at work.
Usacela ukuthi mhlambe ungivezele sona lapha makungenzeka.
If possible, can that picture be projected?
Let us request our operator to go to photo page number 9. Photo page number 9. Are you referring to this photo?
Yebo ngisho sona noma singabonakali la kodwa ngisho sona.
No,
Yes, even though it's not
you've got
clear.
a clearer version. You've got a clearer version of this photo. He will do it, Mr. Makai. I trust him. I think in one of the photo albums depicted is on page 175, but that page does not form part of this photo here, of this photo album of this exhibit. But I think Mr. Makai the other day did it. He took all these blurred dimensions on the photo and it became a very clear photo.
Kodwa njengoba sivela naso lesiyana lezange lilodwa nje ithombe sethu njengoba sivela naso besivela sangisikhathi siyi1 endaweni eyi1 lezayitetis zasemazibuko hostel.
Both pictures were taken on the same day, the same time at Mazibuko Hostel, and we were at the stairs.
Yeah, I want the photo number. I don't seem to have that one on my photo album. The one where you guys are standing there. That is for me, buyer snacks. But in any event, let us concentrate on this one. What is it that you wanted to say about this photo?
Okwamanje ke masiconcentrate kulesi ke ufuna uthini ngalesithombe lesi?
Ngifuna ukuthi lesi sithombe lesi njengoba usibona. Ngigqoke ijacket ekhakhi, iblue elikhakhi, amateka amnyama.
What I wanted to say is that as you can see this picture, I am wearing, on the picture, I'm wearing a khaki jacket, a khaki trouser, and black pair of khakis.
Akuna skipa lesishiwo lo uzungu, angani ukuthi lime noma yini, akuna skipa lapha.
There is no t-shirt that was had to be said by Zungu, the lime t-shirt. There's nothing like that there.
Wayekhohlisela nje inkantolo uzungu ukuthi izwakale kahle into yakhe.
He was just lying before the court so that his story can be heard clearly.
Thank you. So you totally dispute his version that when he saw you, you were wearing a lime T-shirt.
Manje-ke uyakuphikisa lokhu akushoyo-ke uZungu ukuthi ngale nkathi yena ekubona wena ubugqoke-ke isikibha lesi slime.
Hayi unamanga, zange angibone, azangigqoke isikibha esilime.
He is lying. He did not see me, and I was never wearing a lime T-shirt.
Thank you. He further told to this court that that red vehicle on page